Buongiorno, my Beppe Tempers! Today, we are going to make ABV granola bites. Since ABV has already been through the my writer always making things hard. Heating process, we can make these granola bars without baking or cannabutter. What you will need is 1/2 cup natural homemade peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats, your favorite extra ingredients like nuts, chocolate chips, and dried berries, or to make it quick and easy, your favorite trail mix. And of course, you would need a blender and some mini baking cups. Remember everybody, to grind your ABV as finely as possible so you get the most cannabinoids out of it. First, mixing all the ingredients into a large bowl. 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats, and finally, some trail mix. Stirring. At this point, you can add your ABV into the bowl. Then, roll small individual size balls into each baking cups. I like to add ABV individually into granola bites to get more accurate results. Just be sure to mix it into the bites before serving. And voila! This is the perfect fall recipe to take with you on a hike in the woods, or to eat before you go to your nagging mother-in-law's house for Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. For more ABV recipes, be sure to subscribe for new recipes twice a month. I am your host, Chef Luigi, and we will see you next time. Arrivederci! La 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 la. And voila! This is the first to your nagging mother-in-law's house for Thanksgiving dinner. Or to eat before you go to your nagging mother's in-laws house.